Guys, welcome to Shami Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you my very special and most loved cuisine of Palakkad, which I love the most because whatever they use, the combination and the ingredients, everything I love a lot. And my friend, mom makes very nice. I have done a video about Palakkad Avian. Today I'm going to make Palakkad Molagootal, which is very simple but a slight difference between Tamil Nadu and Molagootal. A slight variation, but it will be very awesome, and it goes with all kind of rice or rotis you can have with Molagootal, and any vegetable can be used in this Palakkad. And this Palakkad is so special. The place will be lovely, like those people who are very lovely, very awesome. I like to share this Palakkad today with you all, and it's very simple. And let's see how to do this. So moong dal is cooking now. I have for 1.5 cup of moong dal. I have added 3.5 cups of water. So we don't need to dry roast any ingredients. Without that, I'm going to do the original recipe is we need to dry roast chilies, peppers, but I'm going to do it very simple, which can be done without any chalk. So let's see that, and for that I'm using this vegetable which is called Palakkad, and in English it is called cackerel or spinning corn, which is good for nerves, and this is available throughout India, but it is very similar to bitter gourd. I have chopped it and taken out the seeds. Seeds are also edible, but I'm not using it because it is very hard. And I have chopped it, and once the dal is half cooked, I'm adding this cackerel. So I am also adding banana, just one banana. If you have any vegetable can be used in this Molagootal. And to blend, I am having half coconut, 3 to 4 green chilies. It depends on your spice levels, and turmeric powder, coriander powder, about 1.5 spoons of coriander powder, cumin seeds, this jeera, about 1.5 spoons, and methi seeds, a pinch of methi seeds, which is optional, and about 2 spoons of peppercorns, and blending into a thick paste. And once moong dal and cackerel and raw banana cooks, I'm adding salt, I want it to cook more. By the time I'm going to make this bindi, tempering for bindi with dried chilies and mustard seeds. Then I'm adding bindis. Let it saute, and this coconut paste is ready now. So into a thick chutney like consistency. So mix it well and let it also cook along with the dal and vegetable. So side by side I am doing this puriyal. I have sliced vertically this okra, this bindi. No chili powder for bindi. I am not using chili powder. Once it is half cooked, it is sauteed well, you can add salt. And saute the bindi till it is done. And I am adding idli podi. I will give you the link for idli podi. This will give a nice twist to the puriyal. Just a little. Mix it well and then add shredded coconut. This will be so fresh to eat, and instead of frying, this will be yummy. You will see, you will feel the freshness of the vegetable like this. And now I am adding raw coconut oil to the molagootal, and I have turned off the stove. The molagootal is done. Now I am tempering for molagootal. I am adding coconut oil and dried chilies. If you want to break the chilies, you can break, but if you don't want that spicy, you can add it like a whole red chili, dried one like that. But I am breaking it so that the flavor will be very nice. And I am adding mustard seeds. Only coconut oil whenever you make any Kerala kind of dish. And asafetida and curry leaves. Mix it well after tempering it. But this is done, so it's ready to serve. Try this and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.